Giving you the inside track on local businesses. This is 13 Inside Track.
We are here at We Grow Hair Indy and joined by Darren Andrews, who is the clinic director. And boy, what a clinic it is. A brand new facility for you guys and the largest in the Midwest at We Grow Hair Indy. Tell me all about it.
Yeah, thanks, Laura. This is a combination of 15 years in business, and we have people come to us from all over the country for what we do. We're super proud of what we do. We've been in the new space here at Building 2 at the Pyramids for about 8 weeks now. And we have every available hair restoration, every medically proven hair restoration option under one roof.
Okay, and this guy back here.
Yeah, so this is the ARTAS robot. This is one of our hair transplant technologies. So one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer the ARTAS Robotic FUE and the multi-unit hair grafting, which is what I've had done. Multi-unit hair grafting is our trademark procedure.
And let's talk about where it begins from step 1.
Yeah, it all begins with the initial consultation. So 2 options there, in person, and we're set up for privacy and for your protection from a COVID point of view at the moment. So you can do the consultations in person, or you can do them online through a virtual meeting. And that's really the first start, calling 888-724-5129 to set that up.
What separates you from the others?
Every available option, and one of only 2 places in the entire country to offer the ARTAS Robotic FUE and multi-unit hair grafting. Okay,
and We Grow Hair Indy now is offering up these different options. Tell me about the ones that are brand new.
Yeah, global approach is important, right? Everybody's different. Everyone has different goals. Everyone has different types of hair loss. So on top of the hair transplant options, we offer platelet-rich plasma, laser hair therapy, and our brand new exosomes. They're medically proven things to keep the hair that's already up there. Transplants puts back permanent hair, permanent, natural, and guaranteed.
And I think it's important to note that restoring hair is all you do.
It's all we do. Hair loss is a deeply emotional thing for a lot of people. So it's important that we understand, that people understand we know what people are going through. We've been through hair loss ourselves. So having everything under one roof and taking a global approach is really important.
And the results are like what?
Yeah, they're awesome. I mean, permanent, natural. We guarantee the results with a multi-unit hair grafting, and we stand behind what we do.
And who should call and when?
Anybody that has hair loss of any type, male, female, young, old, we cover it all. 888-724-5129, or visit the website, We Grow Hair Indy. So many videos, examples, different VIPs we've done, tons of stuff on that website.
All right, thank you so much. Darren Andrews at We Grow Hair Indy here at the Pyramids in Indianapolis. And if you'd like to see your business featured on 13 Inside Track, all you have to do is email us at 13insidetrack@WTHR.com.